My comrades, we need to remind Christopher Muchangwa kuti mauto enyika, they don't belong to a political party. They are answerable to the Zimbabweans. He should stop habit of abusing the military all the time. They have failed this country and they need to hide by a finger. Mashoka Muchangwa avakataura yekuti ZANU PF Lacoste inomira nemauto. Ngasa madzokorora next time. Mauto ndeye vanhu veZimbabwe. And I don't think even your masoja paari ne 2 cents dzavari kupiwa with this government of Lacoste, they are happy about it. You should not involve security departments, state security departments, to reduce them into political organs of their cabal. He must desist from that habit all the time whenever he addresses the nation. It's better for them to address the nation telling us what good do they have than trying to put fear into the masses of this country by threatening to unleash soldiers to the public. Iko ino masoja vakutofunga ende vari kuona kuti they were used in 2017, and I don't think they will accept again to be used in 2023. Mnangagwa is somebody who is very coward. He's a liar. Kana wanga wakawirirana na General Constantino Guvea Chiwenga kuti ndichakupawo 5 years dzekutonga, ini ndichaita 5 years. What makes him to change today kuti haachatodi kana nekumupa 5 years yokuti achitonga? He must honor zvaakapromisa kuna General Chiwenga kuti ndichakupawo 5 years. There's no need kuti vaende kuCongress achiti ED for 2023. What for? And he has already created parallel structures, meaning to say ZANU PF yakadampwa because you know is ZANU PF Lacoste. They created Varakash. They created Young Women for ED. They created Men Believe ED. They created Mawindi for ED. They created Mahure for ED. Those are his now personal structures. Yevanhu vari loyal kwa ari, not to the organization itself. So we are saying, vachirimo muzano PF, vachiri kutera Lacoste, please, the home is now there. You are welcome. You must dump that cabal starting from today. We are coming to reclaim the People's Party. I thank you.